if your yard is sloping towards the home, which in our industry is negative sloping, what you need to do is bring in fill dirt. Fill dirt is a combination of clay soil and topsoil. The reason why we prefer this is your clay soil doesn't run away, doesn't run off during a rain, but it's also very hard to get grass or anything to grow through it. The topsoil mixed with it will allow you to grow the grass to keep the soil in place. You want to bring enough soil in to create a positive slope away from the house. You want to make sure that when it rains, the water is hitting that soil, that foundation, and forced away from the home. You can get some soil in through a trucking company, and you can get some wheelbarrows. As long as you have positive grade away from the home, you are reducing foundation problems by 30%. Some tips to do the grading at home on the weekend by yourself is if you call a rock quarry or landscaping company that has soil that you can buy, they typically have a built-in calculator at their area. If you take measurements of how far it needs to be from the home, the width of your home, and how far it's settled, they can give you a better idea of how much soil you need. So that way you're not trying to do it with 40-pound bags from Home Depot. For your general maintenance, it is a yearly maintenance. Your gutters should be cleaned approximately 2 to 3 times a year. You want to make sure those are fully functional. With that, you want the gutters 10 to 15 feet away from the home, so that way the water that is being dispersed from the gutter is not backtracking towards the house. You also want to maintain the grading of the house. The grading of the house is usually every 2 to 3 years. You're going to need a little bit of soil, maybe a ton, very, very minor if you keep the upgrading done.